Hello everyone. Thank you for tuning into the Cooking and Opera channel. I am Shanika John Jordan, and today we are making one of my favorite things in the world, bread. So this recipe is simple, you don't need many ingredients, and it'll be finished in no time. Let's get started. We're beginning with 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour and a 1/2 cup of coconut flour, 2 teaspoons of organic cane sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then I'm mixing these ingredients together and forming a hole in the center. I'm adding 2.5 teaspoons of yeast and a cup of warm water, which I pour in doses, little by little, with my hand until it forms a dough. Now, I usually spend about 5 minutes mixing my dough before adding my olive oil and then proving it for about 30 minutes. And mixing the dough by hand is a workout, so if you do have a stand mixer, I strongly recommend that you use it if you want to maximize time. On a surface dusted with flour, I've stretched the dough by hand, and right now I'm folding it, and then I'm going to stretch the dough one more time. And I've also preset my oven to 425 degrees. My dough is being placed in the pan that has been lined with parchment paper and olive oil. And then what I'm doing is I'm running my fingers across the dough in both directions, which will add shape and make it easier to cut. And I bake my bread for about 14 minutes. And sometimes I will lower the temperature to about 325 degrees if the bread is browning too quickly. But other than that, I have my olive oil that I'm coating it with, some dried parsley on top, and it's good to go. And y'all, it was so delicious. I had to eat some before my full meal. Thank you for watching Cooking and Opera. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more amazing content, and I look forward to cooking with you again. Bye.